And as I'm brainstorming, I'm realizing, wow, there's so much information. You're not necessarily going to get it all in one. In fact, you could pick one where you talk about all of them, and then you could pick one for just the one person. And I'm just going to show you a couple examples that I have. Nathan worked on this one. Actually, so this one he worked on a few years ago, and it took 3 things. This is the one I bought. And it took 3 of these to create the full-on thing. So again, you don't have to limit yourself to one of these. And as you already know, these are very inexpensive. And like I said, they don't have to be any special color. Color ones are a little bit more, not much more though, not much more. So this one is showing Holy Bible. This one is cooking stuff. And I will put a link to this in the underneath too, in case you want to get that one. But this one I did not make, but I can send you to the place where you can get this one. And then this is the other page. And let's see what else we got here. What else? He did a bunch of them. He's done a bunch of them. Oh yeah, I had him do Fruit of the Spirit one year. So as you can see, this is just a plain color, and then he did this when he was younger. And then he did this a couple years ago. Oh, wait, you know what? And I think this is the 3rd one. There were 3 of these, and then he did this, and he put his own meal up here, and then there's little games, and there's all kinds of things you can do with the Lapbook. And I've included several templates that you can use to help you with that. And, oh yeah, and this one's I love this one too. This is the candy cane.